80,000 people watched a live suicide attempt as YouTuber Anurag Dawal, the UK07 rider, just crashed his SUV at 150 km per hour. Famous YouTuber you must have known as UK07 rider during a late night Instagram live, visibly broken, told his viewers, "Log nahi bache yaar. Let's go for one final ride." His last word before the impact, a plea to his mother, "Mummy, in my next birth, please just give me love." This wasn't just an accident. Days before, Anurag posted a 2-hour meltdown claiming his parents disowned him over his marriage. And the irony? Before the crash, Anurag claimed in a video that everyone, including Ritika, his wife, had left him. Ritika is currently 8 months pregnant and informs he is out of the ICU and recovering from hip surgery. She's pleading the fans to stop the rumors and start the prayers. But look at your feet. While Ritika pleads for prayer, memes are mocking his final ride and calling it a public stunt. We have become so used to scripted drama that we can no longer tell the difference between a vlog and a literal cry for help. We demand authentic content, but when we get a raw, ugly, life-threatening moment of truth, we treat it like a punchline. A reminder that behind every millions of followers, the struggle is real. We wish him a speedy recovery, and that's it for today. For more such news, follow and download Newspoint.